Big arsehole in it.
Big arsehole. Right, so today we're back in the woods. We finally got out. Sorry you've not heard from us for quite a bit.
We've not camped since coast.
Coast?
Yeah, I went down.
Oh yeah. So, yeah. Time again, but got a nice sunset in the background. We're rocking with 2 nature hikes today. Have a nice fire. We've got the Dutch oven today. We're gonna have a nice pheasant stew.
Pheasant and bacon stew.
Yeah, so it should be a good one.
Enzo's birthday.
How old is he?
4 today.
4-year-old.
In our years, I don't know what that is in dog years.
God knows. Probably 175 million. So. Yeah. We hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in.
Let's go.
Right then. So, it dropped dark pretty fast, didn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty fast, it dropped dark. So, we've been caught naked a bit. We're having to set up in dark. Not really new there, but you know. So, same as usual. Got my 3 season, 1 tigress, sleeping bag. I've got me Trekology pillar, and obviously my Thermarest Neo-Air X-Therm. So should be toasty tonight, hopefully. Sorry, well it's not really going to get that cold early, is it? So. Yeah, we're just going to get set up and then we'll bring you back soon. Beautiful. And that is bed for night. Look how cosy that looks. So, if you haven't actually already noticed, let me just brighten it up a bit. I've got a new tent. Probably show you some more footage here in the morning, but yeah, after the little dilemma from last camp, I didn't have a freestanding tent, so I trekked myself to a nature hike, Cloud Peak 2. and this is the 15D version in a nice navy blue. Liking it so far. Quality. All because I got him one. Needed to get one.
Bought me one. Not to get one.
Had to get one. And I think Scoey's is the 20D version. So a bit more durable, but I don't think you'll really be able to tell the difference from 15 to 20D, really. So yeah. Beautiful.
Sexual.
Wood's a bit moist.
It is a weekend of Halloween, so we'll see how tonight pans out. Dog green way. Scary woods. When your dog's squirrel mad or rat mad. The smell something.
Right, so all jokes aside, it's time to get some food on. We've got the Dutch oven. Get that off me chopping board. Some garlic, oil. Let me dill that down a bit. Some pheasant breast, look. Plenty of pheasant breast. I'm gonna have a nice pheasant stew.
Who do you think you are, Salt Bay?
We have actually got plenty of pheasant breast, so we're not going to go hungry tonight. So how you want it?
Fresh catch.
You want fresh meat, plenty of it, in the woods. What more could you ask for? Be a hero. Get that one in you.
Vegan.
Get it all mixed in.
The beast. Off knees, salt. Obviously, Nate's gonna have all the dirty work. Nate's the main cook. That's what we're dealing with. Let me tell you something. If Nate's good at anything, he's good at a stew. Top boy for a stew.
Now, sat with a beer.
Just about to watch Matt's video.
Oh no. We're not watching Matt's video. I'm on the Strongbow dark fruits, pint cans, heartburn material. That's what you want on a lovely Friday evening.
And with what we got?
Cheers everyone.
We've got Craig to watch.
Yep, and then we've got Craig from East Anglian Bushcraft. We'll put link in description for his channel as well. Absolutely mint footage.
Anglian Bushcraft.
East Anglian Bushcraft. Shout out Craig, the main man with a plan. We're actually cooking up some food. Watching you. Link in description for Craig's channel. What a man.
Good morning. Dumplings going in.
Oh. Ooh.
Look at that. That's cake.
I know I don't think there's too much food, but we're basically fat cunts. The S&N, outdoors, pheasant stew with dumples. Look at that. That's what you want. Move this out, wait. Look at that. Soft as you like. Don't get no softer than that.
I've had a tea, full, just finishing a beers.
That's still lovely. So,
Mega.
that full, I've only had 3 beers. Just too full. So, we're going to clean all this stuff up behind us now. And then probably head off to bed. So, what the fuck's that?
What the fuck is that?
What is that?
What the fuck?
What the fuck is that? Yeah, what the fuck is this? Look at this. What the fuck is that? Oh shit! It's a fucking alien!
What the creeping?
Happy Halloween! Yeah, it's actually scary that. Oh, you know if that were actually... Damn, he needs some milk!
Can't breathe!
So yeah, as everyone knows,
It's Halloween.
it is Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween, everyone.
You don't have nightmares now. You will now.
I'm definitely having nightmares. So yeah, all jokes aside, we are going to pack up. Well, not pack up, but clear all the stuff away. Put the fire out and get to bed. Right, so as you can see, I'm in the dome away from home. Scoey is as well. So yeah, we're about to clock off at night and just knock some Zeds clean out because we're stuffed. So we hope you've enjoyed the video so far, and we will see you in the morning. Good night. Morning glampers. Ugh. I've put light on because it's a bit dark still. It is 9:15. But yeah, slept pretty well, to be honest. I had to unzip my sleeping bag because I was that hot last night. Obviously, the thermarest doing its job, keeping me back warm and reflecting or heat off. Oh, it was cosy. I got up this morning about 7 o'clock to have a piss, then went back to sleep for a bit. But yeah, first time in the new tent, and I tell you what, I feel safe in this. A lot safe. I don't know whether to upgrade the poles yet. It depends when we go camping on top of mountains or somewhere where it's very windy. So it might be in the works, I don't know yet. But yeah, double layered, there's no condensation. None that I can feel anyway. So yeah, it was beautiful. So we're gonna get up soon and make a nice brew. Right, so as you can see, it's absolutely horrible out there. Bit tent bound at the minute. It is a bit shit when you're tent bound, you like to be out, but it's the risk of getting soaked as well. And then coming back in when you're stuck in. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to enjoy this brew. I bet Scoey's doing the same. And start packing away. We didn't really come prepared for this trip. My big speaker down there, it obviously acts as a power bank as well, so I've had to be charging GoPro batteries because I forgot to do that as well. So yeah, we were just about getting out on this trip because we haven't been out for quite a while. Yeah, it seems to be getting a bit darker out there at the minute, and a bit worse. It's just teeing it down. Oh, for now. Gonna enjoy that bad boy. Smashing it down out there, proper. So, had me brew. I've got me oats and yoghurt. Let's go with these. Just a nice little morning meal. Well, I don't know what he's doing. Sounds like he's out arguing with the dog. So, yeah.
Ben! Ben! Open your window! Hello, Ben!
Good evening. It is soaked in it. Very wet. as good as it gets for this trip. Yogurt, granola and chocolate. Alright, that's it. Thermos, sleeping bag, mask from last night. All needs to go in the bag. And then get my boots on. Time to get tent on. One of them. Yeah. Got some new trousers as well, if you haven't already noticed. Revolution Race. And I tell you what, probably the best trousers I've fucking bought. Nice and stretchy, obviously. I can kneel down now and we've got loads of stretching and we can just move about a lot. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And if you didn't see already, got myself a new knife. Well, didn't get myself a new knife, I made myself a new knife. Yeah, let me just pop you down. So, my new knife from now on. It's got blue G10 liners, blue G10 pin, carbon fibre pins, and the wood is maple burl, and the steel is 80 CRV2. Sharp as you like, and I made a nice leather sheath as well with a dangler. Beautiful. So that'll be coming on me on most trips now. I might make another one sort of same for cooking instead of bringing this one out, but I don't know yet. I'm not sure. Right, just this to go. It has been raining all night and we did put it out last night, so it's yeah, fully extinguished. So fire with here, leave no trace. It's where Scoey pitched up.
It's a bit wet leaves.
And wet leaves, where Al pitched up. And we're good to go.
Red hot last night, but I reckon we should do a Lavoo camp, the primal nomad.
What did he say to that? Primal nomad. Link in description for his channel. What did he say to that? Big shout out.
Get them stoves on.
Yeah, we'll get stoves on and get a Lavoo camping. Nice and toasty. So, yeah, it's been a beautiful camp, hasn't it, bro? Apart from the rain.
That stew last night,
I know, the stew.
bang on.
Awesome.
That knocked me out. That and a few beers, mate. Uppercut, gone.
Even Enzo loved it as well. It was bofty.
Get in. Get in.
Right. So that's us done. Boombox is waterproof, unless anyone's noticing. Yeah, it has been rained on. It's fine.
Dutch oven is waterproof as well.
Gonna have to clean that when I get home. Quite a mess in that. But yeah, been an amazing camp. Bit of a letdown in the morning, but it gets us out, doesn't it? End of the day. Yeah, it is what it is.
Thanks for the 200 subscribers. 204.
204. So I want to say thank you to all of you lot that watch us and show your support and comment. If you want to leave a comment down below, what we could do for the next video, or what you'd like to see, or if you want to know about any of our gear, anything like that.
We don't know when it's going to be, do we?
Yeah, it's just going to be another irregular upload.
Yeah.
So we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for clicking on the video. We love you all. Toodle pip.
See you later, Enzo. Come on, let's go.